I just wanna look good for you, good for you. I just wanna look good for you, good for you.
Hello everyone, so today we have Shaundre and she will be getting the makeover. So of course, like the other video, I will be starting out giving you guys a few little facts about Shaundre and why I chose to give this makeover to her today. So Shaundre was diagnosed with breast cancer back in February, and she went through 8 rounds of chemo, causing her to lose the hair on her head as well as her eyebrows. But as you can see now, they are starting to grow back. She also went through 4 surgeries, but she was cleared to begin remission in October. With this video, I just decided to go with the makeup first. I don't know, just because. And we were going for something natural, and I also did something a little different this time. She basically chose exactly what she wanted on her face as far as like eyeshadow coloring and things like that. And we just put a little light foundation on there and just want to try to keep things as natural as possible because she doesn't wear a lot of makeup often, and obviously she doesn't need it. I chose Shaundre because she is clearly a fighter. She wants everyone to know that her journey has taught her that in order to survive, you have to live. She thanks God every day for her journey and the opportunity to fight and have more life. In her words, He came so that I can live life, and I plan to live it more abundantly. Now again, from the last video, I need you guys to remember that I'm not a makeup artist, but of course I just could not get a makeup artist this time at the last minute, so you know, have to do what we gotta do. And this time it was a team effort. She helped choose those colors, so we're all good. So in today's video, the wig I will be using comes from Myfirstwig, and I'm just going to show you guys at the bottom right corner everything that comes in the wig kit. And I will have it below in the description box, the specific details of this particular wig. And I also would like you to look at the bottom for the texture before I washed it, and also pay attention to this elastic band. They have a new elastic band that makes it a lot easier for new wig users, and so you won't have to attach it yourself, and all you do is readjust the straps to make the fit a lot more snug and perfect to your head.
They say history is written.
And there's also a coupon code for Black Friday. You use it, it's Black Friday, and you get 15% off plus the entire wig kit that is shown in this video.
Got a pretty girl to the throne.
I decided to curl it because I just wanted this specific look, but you can wear it in its natural state, and as you can see, it curls very well.
You're like all I ever wanted, but couldn't afford. I know you like feeling haunted. Would a pretty girl leave you bored? 'Cause the memories go.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at InVogueMeHair. Make sure to like and click that notification bell. Thanks.
I'll divide and I will conquer.